Building a small worm compost system right inside your garden bed is a very easy way to turn everyday kitchen waste into rich, living soil without spending any money. Instead of throwing away peels and scraps, you can put them back into the soil and let the worms do their work. Slowly, they convert all that waste into nutrients your plants can use straight away. It keeps the soil healthy, holds moisture better, and helps your plants grow nicely. In this method, we are using an old fruit basket to make a mini vermicompost setup directly in the bed. The basket already has plenty of holes, so worms can move in and out easily, and nutrients can spread into the soil around it. First, choose a spot in your bed, close to your plants but not right on their roots. Take a small shovel and dig a hole deep enough so most of the basket goes below the soil, with just the top edge a little above ground. Now, place the basket inside and press soil firmly around it so it stays tight and does not move. Once it is fixed nicely, we start filling the layers inside. Add your kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, fruit waste, tea leaves, eggshells, and any plant leftovers are all good. If you cut them into small pieces, they break down faster, and worms can eat them easily. On top of that, add a little bit of old compost or vermicompost if you have it. This helps bring good microbes and maybe some worms to start the process faster. Now cover everything with a layer of soil or mulch. This step is important because it controls smell, keeps flies away, and holds the moisture inside. It also protects from direct sun and keeps the inside temperature stable. After covering, give a little water. Not too much, just enough to make it moist like a squeezed sponge. Slowly, worms from the soil will enter the basket through the holes. They will start eating the waste and turning it into rich compost.